Hi, I'm Mrs. Amodemo and this is Penny. Welcome to our video. We're going to be focusing on adding with units of 10. Let's get started. All right, my friends, first thing we're going to do is read the essential question. Let me read it the first time and then you read it with me the second time. You ready? Let's do this. How can you add tens? Read it with me this time. How can you add tens? Now what should we do? What do we do? Penny, what should we do? Penny says we have to write an I can statement. Can you help me do that? You can, fantastic. So how do I start? What should I write? Oh, I have to write the word I, and it has to be what? You're right, it has to be a capital I. I can, you know I love this little word because it's spelled like it sounds. Can, add. You said, Miss Amodemo, it's right there. A-D-D, tens. How do we spell tens? T-E-N-S. And what goes at the end? What goes at the end of my sentence? You're correct. I need a period. All right, my friends, let me read the I can statement, and then you'll read it with me the second time. I can add tens. Read it with me this time. I can add tens. Now, what does that mean? Oh, you know. Tell me. You're right. That means that we can add groups of tens to get a sum. Oh, this lesson's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy since you already know that. Can we try one? All right, let's try one. Let's say I want to add 20 plus 30 and get a sum. What should I do? Penny, what should I do? Penny says if I don't know, I should draw a quick pick. Let's do that. So 20, how many tens are in 20? You're right, there are 2 10 rods. Let me draw it. 10, 20. And how many tens are in 30? You're correct, 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. And then we just have to count them up, my friends. Are we ready? Let me switch colors. We just have to count them up. Are we ready? Here we go. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What do we think? Oh, you think you got this. I like it when you're confident. Let me erase this, my friends, and we'll do a few. All right, my friends, I've got our next problem. We've got 60 plus 20. 60 plus 20. And some of you know. Pretend you don't know. If you don't know, what's a strategy we can use if we get stuck? Penny, what's my favorite strategy? Incorrect. Penny says we can draw a quick pick, and she's right, and that is my favorite strategy. If I get stuck, that's what I always do. If you've gotten so you can do the quick pick in your head, that's fabulous, my friends. That's absolutely fabulous if you can do that quick pick in your head. If you can't, though, don't worry about it. This is what I do when I get stuck. I draw the picture. So 60, how many 10 rods? Yes, 6. So I need 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 20, how many 10 rods? 2 tens. 10, 20. And then, my friends, we're going to count them up. Help me count them up again. Are we ready? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So my friends, 60 plus 20 gives us a sum of 80. Shall we try one vertical? Yeah? Remember, vertical is up and down. Let me write a problem. Let's try one vertical. Give me a number. 40? All right, my friends, let's do 40. 40 plus, what should we do? 40 again? All right, 40 plus 40. And I think this is the last time I'm going to use that marker. 40 plus 40. All right, my friends. Now you know, if I need my quick pick, I'm going to put it over on the side. That's usually what I do. So, let's break this down. 40. How many tens are in 40? You're right. I need 4 10 rods. 10, 20, 30, 40. And since it's 40 again, how many tens? 4 10 rods. 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, my friends, the only thing left to do is to count that number up. And I think I'm going to try a different color. All right, my friends, you ready? Help me count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So what is the sum of 40 plus 40? You're right. The sum of 40 plus 40 is 80. What do we think? How are we feeling? Let's do a couple more and then I'm going to ask you again. All right, my friends, let's get going again. I have written us 10 problems. 10 problems. And let's see if we can do the first one together, and then I'm going to have you pause the video and try the rest on your own. All right, my friends, let's do this one, upper left. What's 20 plus 20? Oh, some of you know. Pretend you don't know. I know you do know, but pretend you don't know. What can I do if I don't know? Penny, what should I do? Penny says to draw a quick pick. I think she might have put an eye roll and a duh in there, but that's okay. All right, my friends, so 20, how many tens? 2 10 rods, you've got it. 10, 20. 10, 20. And then we've got to count them up, my friends. Are you ready? Are you ready to help me count? Here we go, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. So my friends, 20 plus 20 equals 40. Now, do me a favor. Stop, pause the video, and see if you can solve these on your own. And when you get done, hit play and see how you did. All right, my friends, how did you do? Take a second and check your work and see if we agree. I hope we do. All right, my friends, I'm going to erase this. We just did 10 horizontal problems. Let's try 10 vertical problems. You can handle that? I know you can. Let me erase this. I'll be right back. All right, my friends, I've got 6 vertical problems for you. Remember, vertical is up and down, horizontal is side to side. So 6 vertical problems for us to do. Let's do this first one together, and then I'm going to have you pause the video and try the rest on your own. All right, my friends, let's do this one, upper left. 10, how many 10 rods? You're right, we just need one. 1 10 rod. And how many 10s are in 30? How many 10s are in 30? You are correct, it is 3. 3 10s in 30. 10, 20, 30. And when I add them together, my friends, what's my sum? Can you help me count? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. So the sum of 10 plus 30 is 40. All right, my friends, pause this video, do the rest of these on your own, and then hit play and see if you were right. All right, my friends, how did you do? I hope you got them all right. I hope we agree. Take a second and look at it. Now, my friends, I have a question. I want to check in. How are we doing? Thumbs up, I got it, Miss Amodemo. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thumbs to the side. It's starting to make sense. I'm getting there, Miss Amodemo. I still have a few questions, but, you know, a little practice. Thumbs down. I know we've done this before, Mrs. Amodemo, but I'm not remembering it. All right. Most of us are looking pretty good, and if you're not, that's okay. Watch the video again and practice it a second time. Now, my friends, I'm going to give you a challenge problem. I'm going to erase this and give us a challenge problem, and I think that you are smart and you are capable and you can totally figure this out. You ready for a challenge? You are. I like it. I'll be right back. All right, my friends, I have 3 challenge problems for you, and this one's a little the hardest of them all, so we're going to do that one last. Let's start up here. 52 plus 30. 52 plus 30. Oh, you noticed that we've been doing just like 50 plus 30, and now we're adding some ones in as well. I'm glad you're paying attention. That's fantastic. All right, my friends, what should I do? Penny, what are they telling me to do? Penny says to draw a quick pick. So my friends, 52. How many 10s? How many 10 rods do I need? You're right, I need 5 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And how many ones? Yes, I need 2 ones. So that's 52. And now 30. How many 10s do I need? You're right, I need 3 10 rods. 10, 20, 30. Now, my friends, when I add them all together, I like to start with the ones place. Not everybody does, but I like to start with the ones place. So can you help me? We're going to count the ones first, and then we're going to count our 10s. You with me? You are. Good. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82. What do you think? Let's do that again. Ready? We're going to start with the ones. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2,
12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82. So the sum of 52 plus 30 is 82. What do you think of that? Oh, you don't think it's as cool as I think it is. Well, that's okay. I think it's kind of awesome because we're working on getting ready for second grade. All right, my friends, let's do this one. 11 plus 60. 11 plus 60. I'm not going to ask Penny, I'm going to ask you, what do I need to do? That's right, I need to draw a quick pick. So 11, how many 10s are in 11? You're right, there's one 10 rod. And how many ones? One 1. All right, my friends, 60, how many 10s? 6 10 rods. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. All right, my friends, I am going to add them together. And we're going to start with that 1. Yes, you're going to start with that 1. Trust me, it'll work. Ready? Here we go. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71. Oh, I hiccuped, excuse me. Let's get it again. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71. So the sum of 11 plus 60 is 71. And now let's try our super duper uber challenge problem. 24 plus 41. 24 plus 41. Yes, I'm going to draw the quick pick. 24. How many 10s? 2 10s. 10, 20. How many 1s? 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 41. How many 10s? 4 10 rods. 10, 20, 30, 40. How many 1s? 1. 1 1. All right, my friends, I want to count the 1s first. I want to count the 1s first. And to make sure I don't skip anything or do anything weird, I'm going to write on them. So ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 1s. Count them again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we've got 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and 65. Count it one more time with me, my friends. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 1s. Now we got to count on from 5 by 10s. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65. Nice job. Nice job, my friends. 24 plus 41 has a sum of 65. It's a sum of 65. I hope you're feeling good about this. And these were supposed to be hard, so if those were so much harder than the other ones, that's okay. These were a challenge problem, so don't worry about that. I'm going to go see what Penny's up to because she's sneaking off and I don't trust her. I'll be back in just a second. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope it's making more sense. Check back tomorrow. We're going to be using the same skills, but we're going to try and apply it to subtraction. Bye. Bye.